When we go shopping, we often don't know much about the products that are being offered in the shops. Where were they produced, and how about the quality? More transparency for the consumer. That's what RFID is all about. It's a small tag attached to the products we buy that sends out information via radio waves to a reading device. Information about its date of manufacture, for example, the production place or the date of arrival in the supermarket. These crawfish, for instance, were caught in the Atlantic a couple of days ago. Then they were processed and transported to the supermarket next door. With RFID, one can track every single step a product takes on its way to the supermarket and even monitor the temperature during transportation. Experts are currently working on improving the RFID technology, so RFID tags can be used for other functions, such as in logistics.
DHL as a transport company ensures the quality of the product, which relates to the temperature, and therefore it's for all temperature relative goods. It helps to ensure that the temperature is in place all the time and the final customer gets a product which is fresh.
RFID tags will provide consumers with information on all kinds of products. The ingredients in cosmetics, for example, or the fabrics that clothes are made from. And RFID tags will make travelling more comfortable. Has your suitcase ever been lost on a flight? With RFID, baggage can be tracked throughout the whole handling process, making it much safer.
Today, 98% of bags are delivered correctly, and the use of RFID will increase that percentage so customers can travel with greater confidence. At the same time, that 2% of bags that are currently mislaid are generally left behind for about 1.5 days. Using RFID will speed that up, so the passengers will be separated from their bags for less time.
RFID will benefit the health sector in particular. A serious problem here is product counterfeiting, the counterfeiting of medication. Fake pharmaceutics often look exactly like the real ones. That's a big risk for doctors and patients. RFID can help.
So what RFID technology actually can do, it can identify items, and by that you can know exactly where has an item in pharmaceutical and products and medicine been produced, where has it been sent to, where has it been sold, and who's using it. So RFID really makes that visible, and by that you can differentiate between genuine items and faked items, just with the normal knowledge to how the flow should be.
RFID tags provide more security about providing the right treatment for patients. But how about the security of our data? If we buy products that carry the RFID tag, are we being tracked and profiled as well?
I think the best thing would be now to do to protect consumers is first of all for consumers to be informed about when is RFID used, why is it used, by whom, for which purpose, and then consumers will be able to choose whether they want to use RFID, whether they want to keep it on, or whether they want to disable it and then protect their privacy.
With RFID tags, we gain a better understanding of the products we buy and can make sure our food is fresh. RFID empowers the consumer and increases trust in the products we buy. RFID, the future begins now.